Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensah Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and you're not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build the mathematics community. In this lecture, I'm going to solve this differential equation thanks to Eliakob from Adama State University in Nigeria for sending me this question. Now, how do we solve this simple question? To solve the differential equation, x squared times into bracket y plus 1 plus y squared into bracket x minus 1 dy dx equals 0. So let's see. This is the same as writing x squared times y plus 1. You multiply through by the x, so you have dx plus y squared times x minus 1 dy equal to 0. Wow. Then let's divide through by y plus 1 times x minus 1. So we divide it by y plus 1 times x minus 1. We divide it by y plus 1 times x minus 1. So this gives us x squared divided by x minus 1 dx plus y squared divided by y plus 1 dy equal to 0. Then, if we send this one to this side, we're going to have negative y squared divided by y plus 1 dy equal to x squared divided by x minus 1 dx. So this differential equation is separable. So we've separated the y term and the x term. Now, we then do the integration. So we integrate y squared divided by y plus 1 dy, because the integral x squared divided by x minus 1 dx. Now let's take each integral and then do the integration. So let me do it here. So for the integral, negative integral y squared divided by y plus 1 dy, if we let u to be equal to y plus 1, then we have u minus 1 equal to y. Then we have u minus 1 squared equal to y squared. We have u squared minus 2u plus 1 equal to y squared. Here, the derivative of u with respect to y equal to dy. Very simple as that. Okay, so we have negative integral y squared is u squared minus 2u plus 1, and y plus 1 is u. Then dy is du. So this will give us negative integral u minus 2 plus 1 on u. That if we divide each term by u, so this will give us minus u squared divided by 2 plus 2u minus natural log of u. And this will give us minus times y plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 times y plus 1 minus natural log of y plus 1 for this one. Very simple as that. Now what about this one? For the integral x squared divided by x minus 1 dx, if we let v to be equal to x minus 1, then we have du equals dx. And we have v plus 1 equals x. That's v plus 1 squared equals x squared. Please remember to like the video, share, subscribe, and leave your comments. We have here to be v squared plus 2v plus 1 equals x squared. Now the integral will become the integral v squared plus 2v plus 1 divided by v times dx, times dv. For here, v equal to x minus 1, so we put v here, and x squared equal to v squared plus 2v plus 1, and dv equals dx. So we divide each term by v, we are going to get the integral v plus 2 plus 1 on v, dv, and this will give us v squared divided by 2 plus 2v plus natural log of v, and this will give us x minus 1 squared divided by 2 plus 2 times x minus 1 plus natural log of x minus 1. So our final answer here will now be minus times, there is a square here, y plus 1 squared divided by 2 plus 2 times y plus 1 minus natural log of y plus 1 equals, let's put this one here. Okay, so equal to this plus c, yes, that's all. So this one is here equal to the integral of this one plus c. So you can simplify this term further, and you can simplify this term also further, or you can leave our answer here, because we can multiply, we can expand this one and also expand this and then simplify. So you can leave the answer here or you can continue. Thank you for watching. Please kindly like, share, subscribe and leave your comments. Bye bye.